Hello and welcome genius guys. In this video we are going to see need of shallow copy and deep copy through this video. So first of all let me open my IDLE. This is my IDLE guys. So here first of all I will create one list LST1 and LST2's elements are 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. These are elements of what LST1. So need of shallow copy and deep copy. Shallow copy and deep copy both are the techniques of copying. Okay, but here if I created here LST1 and LST2 is empty. Now I want to copy LST1 elements into LST2. LST1 elements I want to copy into LST2. A normal person use equals to operator like this and copy LST1 elements in LST2. But these elements are not copied into LST2. You can say, sir, I will show you. See here, LST1 values, LST2 values. But this is not copy, guys. The LST1 referring to the same object in memory, LST2 also is referring that same object in memory. Okay, sir. Now you may ask how, sir. Now you can see the ID of LST1 equals to ID of LST2. Now you can see answer is 2 means ID of LST1 is different from ID of LST2. Sorry, same. Now you can say well ID is same means pointing to the same object. Now I will demonstrate this code with example also. Okay. Now for example let's suppose we have modified LST1. Okay, by using append 100 to LST1. Okay, now you can see the values of LST1 appended 100, but I don't modified LST2 yet. Now you can say this is also modified and this is not copy, guys. It's sharing value with both, right? Means it's pointing to the same object in memory, and if object is modified the both places are will show same values, right? For example I will modify LST2 here and I will write here value ROSUM. Now you can see values of LST1 same, values of LST2 same. So in order to avoid this thing we use what? The technique called shallow copy and deep copy. Okay, now you can see here in this diagram LST1 pointing to the same, LST2 pointing to the same object called list type. Okay, and here that's why IDs are coming same, and that's why these IDs are equal. So in order to avoid these kinds of things in program, and it will may occur any conflict in program, so that's why in order to make a duplicate copy of a object in memory, in that case we use the technique called shallow copy and deep copy. How you can achieve shallow copy and deep copy you will see in next video. So thanks for watching this video, and must watch next video because in that video I will going to tell a shallow copy and techniques to perform a shallow copy in programming language. It's very important, guys, according to the concept, and it's also important practically also.